Hey guys, for today's video, we're gonna be making the viral Dalgona coffee. Our main ingredients are coffee, sugar, and milk. For the first step, put 4 tablespoons of coffee into a bowl. You can also use black coffee. Then, grab the sugar, 4 tablespoons as well, put it in the bowl. And then 4 tablespoons of hot water. And now, for the challenging part, whisk the ingredients for like 350 to 400 times or until the consistency turns foamy. Isn't it satisfying or tiring? Now go on and continue to whisk until you reach the consistency that you like. Once done, grab your glass and put some ice cubes on it. This time, pour the milk. Using the whipped coffee, lay it on top of the milk. Then we're good to go. You can also add toppings if you like. For me, I'm putting curly tops on it. Here's our finished product, the Dalgona Coffee. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and the bell icon right next to it for you to be updated of my future uploads. Comment down below if you have any video requests. Thank you so much. Bye!